Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with DeepL if your language detection is not working. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepL application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for DeepL, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with doing our translations. We have the settings app option for setting up our application, how it works and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to fix this problem. So basically guys, to go ahead and fix the detection language, this is going to go ahead and be done by optimizing the input text. So as you can see right here at the bottom of the screen, you have the text language option. This is going to enable you to input any language you want, and then the application itself is going to detect what language you have inputted without directly selecting right here. So for this to go ahead and be able to work, you have to go ahead and enter in the language precisely. You cannot make any grammar mistakes, syntax mistakes and so on, because then the DeepL application could possibly go ahead and confuse this language with another language and not give you the correct translation. So make sure that the option you're selecting right here is one of the languages. If you're using the text language, then your translation is going to have to be perfect, so keep that in mind. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.